Hey, what's going on, little water bottle? What are you doing in here, little fella? Look at you, you're so clean and full of water.
Hey guys, what's going on? I'm not sure if I'm gonna post a vlog from last night. I was really drunk and I was swearing a lot. I don't know, I'll probably upload it, but it wasn't very good videos. I mean, actually it was alright, but just chilling here at work, we're killing it today. We're at like 120% closing ratio. It's nuts. Don't count on me, I'll do it again. Don't count on me, the boys are missing. What up? I'm on the road again. I'm heading back to Michigan. I'll be home in 20 hours. I'm too excited to even think about what I'm doing right now, but I'm driving in the middle of the snow and I can't know where to go because I'm oh so happy. Yeah. I'm gonna be driving for 20 hours straight. I'll be home in the afternoon delight. Yeah, me, Scott, and Drew, we riding back through into Michigan. Yo, I gotta stop rapping all the time, man. I'm such a gangster, so it just kind of comes out of me, just flows out, you know what I'm saying? So sorry about that. If you're offended by my music, you know what I'm saying, you can listen to it, because that's what I'm doing today. Now, if you don't like my music, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you do like my music, you can subscribe to my channel. So either way, you're going to subscribe to my channel, follow my Facebook, follow my Instagram. You know, you can go anywhere you want. Let's see. You can follow me on Twitter, or you can follow me. You can follow me, or you could follow me or subscribe to my channel. You could do either of those options. That's it. Alright guys, we're just getting ready to leave and we're heading back to Michigan. I'm gonna close out the vlog today. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Yeah, buddy.
Any little thing a nigga think it be doing, cause it doesn't matter, cause I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna murder everything and anything about it. Boom, bada bing. I gotta do a lot of things to make it clear to a couple niggas that I always win, and I gotta get it again and again and again. And I be doing it to death, and now I move a little foul, nigga, medical or rapping. Everybody know my style, niggas know that I'm the best when it come to doing this. And I be banging on my chest, and I'm banging the east, and I'm banging in the west, and I kinda give you more, and I would never get your last. You will hear it in the street, and you can read it in the press. Do you really wanna know what's next?
Oh, hold on.
Drop the goddamn key.
Yo, we back in Michigan. We about to go out tonight. Check them out.
Thirsty bitches. Oh yeah, we're in Michigan and we're gonna get really drunk tonight.
And it's fucking cold. That's all. What's up tonight? Oh shit. Yeah, I like hoes, so we should get them.
Watch this. Jordan,
yeah.
Oh, you suck.
Wow, that was tight, dude. Made it into.
Couldn't even make it in the bed of the truck. Goddamn.
Dude, we gonna remember this day for the rest of our lives because we're probably not gonna remember it. That's the thing.
I worked them out, so I might remember it.
I'm not gonna remember.
Wait.
Oh!
Yeah!
Man, I been that time.
Boop. Come on, tell him.
What?
Tell him.
What do you want me to tell you?
Come on, let's go, motherfucker.
Hey, bitch. Ooh.
Oh, tell him.
Kill him. I'm only 21 years old, so you do the math. I've been fucking since I was negative 62 years old. Yeah, but
Zach, tell me how you feel about that, brother. Zach, hey.
You know how I feel. Listen, this nigga trying to tell me that I like some dick. Nigga, I'm 21 and I done fucked 85 bitches. So that would do the math to me. Been fucking since I was negative 64 years old. Like, come on now, baby, come on.
What you gotta say about that?
I was fucking way before I was in the womb.
I got a video that proves that Zach Williamson likes the dick.
Listen, put the camera.
I just don't know what to think right now. I don't know what to think.
Put the camera on me.
Tell him.
Nigga, listen, white boys, my dick about this long. It take about 4 of yours to get to man. You know what I'm saying? I done been that motherfucker just deep, and they be like, oh, nigga, don't do it, don't get in there deep like that, don't do it like that, don't do it.
Yeah, my dick's like 2.5. So, same thing.
Same thing. Put some syrup on like some motherfucking waffles with some scrambled eggs and shit.
Let's zoom right up on your face, motherfucker.
Hi, my name's Aaron.
All in your grill.
My name's Aaron Nightingale, and I'm creating a business called Nightingale. Swing by anytime that you'd like.
Don't go to that business. They got cockroaches.
They
got cockroaches. Don't go there. They got cockroaches.
Bar and grill, sports bar.
I'd like to smoke weed. Just kidding. Whoa. That's on fucking YouTube. Oh shit.
Nigga, that nigga don't smoke weed.
I don't smoke weed.
You don't smoke weed.
Girl.
I never
Hey,
smoked
girl.
weed once.
Hey, girl.
Hey, mama.
Hey, mamacita.
You ever had your booty licked before?
Hey.
You ever had
We're recording up in this bitch.
No, you're literally
Say something funny.
gorgeous. Stunning.
Oh,
How old are you? 25?
21.
I love you.
24?
I'm for real. I'll take you.
No, really.
No, no, I'm cold. Are you guys going back in?
Where you at?
We're gonna be
Yes.
there.
No, I had to drop my jacket.
We're gonna
Where
be there
you
in a
at?
minute.
Dance.
We're gonna be there in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh
Are you
man.
with
We're
anybody
gonna be
here?
there in a minute.
Yes.
You know who I am?
Yes. What do you
No.
mean? Are you married?
For real?
No, I'm not married.
Chris Brown.
Hi, Chris.
Tell him Chris.
Hi, Chris.
He's a rapper.
Sorry, I'm
Don't
be there in a
touch your
minute.
hand.
No, I'm just
This is my DJ.
I'm a DJ.
This is my hype
really
man.
cold.
Yeah?
This
You
my
wanna
hype man.
dance?
Here with somebody.
Come on, dance
Yeah,
for us.
that's why I'm dropping the jacket.
We're gonna be in there. We're gonna be in there.
Yeah, we'll be in there in a minute.
be
We
in
gotta
there?
go get some shit.
All right, because we got some dancing to do.
Oh.
Yeah? Oh, all of us?
Yeah, but you're with
At one time?
somebody.
Yeah, if you're with
How am I
somebody.
gonna dance with you?
We can't be grinding on that
with some other
shit.
guy.
Oh.
But
we
I'm
get in
here
trouble.
with a girl. Without
Oh! Oh! Damn! Damn!
We gotta be that time.
Yo, 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 yo.
Hi.
Bro, we about to hit the club. Got nothing but a dub in my truck. It's rolling up. Got no
wanna see my
bitches,
dick?
but he's gay.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
No?
On the table, and you
Dude, we're so drunk right now. It's not even funny. Come on the car. Come on the car. Come on it. Wait, get out. Get it, girl. World star. World star. World star.
There's a window to my soul. Come and get it.